everybody, Sarah the Triceratops here, and welcome back. Today is Make It Monday, and today we will be making, or I will be making, a sign for my daughter's room. You know, like Tyler's room, Janice's room. Well, this is Gracie's room. And you guys can make a sign too. You can make it for whoever you want. You can make it, say, game room, laundry room, you know, Tina's room, whatever. But this is what we're making today. We're making a sign for my daughter's room. Starting out, what you will need is you will need a sign to begin with, a board with a string on it at the very simplest, a couple of command hooks. You can get these, or if you want it to be less noticeable, you can get the clear ones. You will need stencils. I believe they're called paint palettes, where you put the paint. 2 colors of your choice, 2 paintbrushes, preferably smaller ones, and a glass of water to wash off your brush. And you will need a painter's pen to draw out the stencils, specifically an ultra fine one. These are relatively cheap. They're only like $1 or $2 at Walmart, which all this stuff you can buy at Walmart. Altogether, I'd say it's probably less than $14 or $13. Alright, so what you want to do first is, first off, put your 2 paint colors in 2 separate spots on the paint palette. Get your cup full of preferably warm water. It's easier to get the paint off. And open up all of your materials. Get all the packaging, wrapping, and everything off of them. Then you will start using the painter's pen to draw around the stencils of whatever letters or designs you want. You can, get creative here. Do whatever designs you want. You can even freehand it if you want. Just use the pen and draw yourself without a stencil if you're good at that. I mean, me myself, I don't have very good writing. That's why I use stencils. After you draw out your design, you want to go ahead and let that dry. Mine dried pretty fast, but I don't know if yours will. After that, you'll go ahead with your first color that you wanted to use to paint your letters and go ahead and paint them. And then same for your second color to paint your designs, or however many colors you want to use. You can honestly use more than just 2 if you want. But I just chose to use 2. I used pink and I used silver, glittery silver, which I did not know at first that the silver was going to dry clear, so that's my mistake. After you're done with that, just go ahead and let your paint dry. After that, you want to follow the directions on the back of the packaging for the command strips and go ahead and put your hook on your door. And then attach your sign to the hook. And there you go. There is your room sign. Mine originally was going to say Gracie's room, but I ran out of room after Gracie for the S. So instead, I put her last initial, so it's Gracie M's room. For some reason, my husband thought it was Gracie Miss' room. Don't know. I don't know. Does that look like Miss to you? I don't know. I put the apostrophe before the S. It's M's. But okay. Well, if you guys like this video, please leave a roar down in the comments if you want more, like and share, and I will see you guys on Tuesday. Peace!